Guys, want to get us started after our nice long weekend. First, I hope you guys had a great relaxing weekend. I got to do something a little bit fun. Want to get us kicked off as we get ready to start chapter 4. I ask you this question: what do you think is more important? And tell me why. Number 1, environmental protection. Number 2, workplace diversity. 3, job place safety. Or 4, employee wellness. Just tell me which one and why. What are we doing today? We're going to explore social responsibility as it pertains to business. We're going to compare and contrast business codes of ethics as well. Why are we doing this? To help you identify how companies contribute to society and hold themselves responsible, and to help you see how some of your favorite companies are ethical. So, social responsibility. This refers to the duty of a business to contribute to the well-being of a community. In considering its responsibility to society, a business must weigh the interests and concerns of many groups. A broad view of social responsibility of business calls for more attention to social concern. This includes protection of the environment, inclusion of minorities and women in the workplace, employment of physically challenged and older workers, and the healthy and safety of the work environment. What I want you to do with this information is create a 4-corner ad using text and advertisement type material. You will create 4 PowerPoint slides all in one PowerPoint, but 4 slides. You will list the social responsibility, which was the 4 things I just listed. You will explain them, explain why this area is important to business and society. So a brief sentence. Find at least 3 companies that you feel best exhibit this. Who is doing it well? Okay, so who is being environmentally friendly? Who is being great in their diverse workplace hiring? Who is doing a great job of making sure that older people and people with disabilities are getting jobs? Who has great workplace safety? Okay, and then create an advertisement or a visual promoting this area as a social responsibility. So promoting it to other people, making it something that's at the forefront of people's minds. Okay. Next, we're going to look at codes of ethics. These are areas or what businesses use to dictate how they do business. Okay, so I want you to find 2 companies that you use often. These can be 2 businesses that you shop at, you use online, that you eat at, and I want you to find their codes of ethics. Look them up online, and then I want you to read through and find the similarities, find what they have in common, and find what their differences are in their codes of ethics. And then write a brief summary. In the first paragraph, I want you to briefly summarize the company's codes of ethics. So tell me basically what their codes of ethics are about. In the second paragraph, I want you to explain the similarities of both companies. What do they have in common? In paragraph 3, tell me the differences. What are the main differences that impact the company's sales, staff, and customer experience? And then finally, tell me what you would change or adjust about the company's codes of ethics. How could you improve them if you were in charge? Make sure you're specific in all your paragraphs. Cite the company's codes of ethics if you can. This basically just gives further proof and validity to your argument, and then submit it to Schoology when you're done. And then finally, our final task today is to write your own code of ethics. I want you to write a code of ethics for your life. Include at least 3 points you stand firm on and will not budge. Submit this to the discussion board when you're finished, and I want you to read and reply to at least 3 classmates. Tell me what you like about their codes of ethics. Tell me what you agree with or disagree with in a ethical way. Here is mine, Holtman's codes of ethics. Number 1 is integrity. I'll be honest in everything I do, always forthright, always sincere, always reliable, dependable, even when no one is watching me. Caring, I will care about others, always respectful, always considerate, always fair, always willing to help those in need, never intentionally hurting others. Excellence, I will do my best at everything I do, never accepting mediocrity, never procrastinate, and be a lifelong learner. Attitude, I will maintain a positive attitude, always respectful, always loyal, always humble, and never arrogant. And courage, I will stand up for what is right, even when I'm the only one standing. Never give in to the negative, and never allow fear of failure to prevent me from trying. All right, that is it for today, guys. You have 3 things to do. Your PowerPoint, 4 corners, write me about 2 codes of ethics, and then write your own code of ethics in the discussion board. If you need me, let me know. You know where to find me.